Hi, good evening, everybody. This is the update for this week. I think there will be more than one this week. I'm going to the cardiologist tomorrow, so then we'll see if there was any change in my EF, um, if it went up at all from 23%, or what's happening with my heart now, if they do EKG and an echo to see what's going on. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous about it because I don't know what to expect. The last time I thought I'm going to get better news and it wasn't. I'm a bit nervous, and but we'll see tomorrow. I'll keep you updated. And yeah, I think I feel better. Even if I feel my pulse is much stronger than what it was about a month ago. So I'm full of hope that it's better than what it was. But let's see. I'll give you an update tomorrow. Okay. Have a lucky evening.